Okay, so we're talking about the barbell cycling on Saturday's compete session. A little bit different to what we've been doing over the last few weeks. So this will be an interesting one to see how it affects you and how you need to break up these sets. You're going to start, if you usually follow the Elite or RX scaling, then you can probably start with the suggested loads. That will be 43 kilos for the guys and 30 kilos for the girls. You're going to do 21 power snatch and then 21 thrusters. And then you're going to rest while ideally a partner of similar ability does the same thing. And then you're going to go to 18 power snatch, 18 thrusters, then your partner will go. If you don't have a partner, you can simply just rest 1-to-1 here. After you've done the sets of 18, you're going to increase the load to 61 kilos for the guys, 43 for the girls. And you're going to do a set of 15 power snatch into 15 thrusters, rest, and then you'll do 12 and 12. At this point, you increase one more time to 75 kilos, 52 for the girls, and you're going to do a set of 9 power snatch, 9 thrusters, rest, 6 power snatch, 6 thrusters. So you're just chipping your way through these sets. Every 2 blocks of work, you're going to increase the weight, but the reps is going to go down every block. The power snatch, ideally with that lightest load, you're going to do quite big sets of touch and go reps. So a 21, maybe you can do something like 11-10 or 7-7-7. The thrusters, you're aiming for unbroken there. Perhaps just one break if you want to try this load, even though it's a little bit heavy for you. The 18 and 18, similar, maybe just one break per movement. And then we increase to the moderate, so the middle load, 15 power snatch. Try to break that up still in some touch and go reps. We want to practice that touch and go movement a little bit today. So maybe you start with 5 or 6 touch and go, and then you move to quicker singles to practice starting a set with touch and go, and then getting straight into your singles pace. The thrusters, ideally unbroken again, but of course that's going to get really challenging now with a heavier load, so maybe one quick break. Same thing on the 12s. You're going to increase the load for the final time. Elite athletes may be able to start again with just a couple of touch and go reps and then get into singles, but for the majority of people, this final weight is going to be singles to try and then be able to push the thrusters in 1 or 2 sets, and then the same thing for the 6 and 6. So just some different pacing strategies as you get different weights, different rep schemes as you go through this. So be quite mindful of the technique that you're using so that you can take some sort of some feedback away from this session and you can apply it to other workouts that have these movements at these loads.